So, the first video on this channel, I've recorded multiple different things. None of them have really turned out what I wanted, but this video kind of has to happen because it has to do with this car, which is the point of this channel, which is documenting everything to do with this car. So, this car is my 1992 still NA, you can barely see that, still NA Miata. There's nothing really done to it. Nothing done to it other than this intake I made, which isn't really special. This heat shield works pretty well though. I like that. I painted the valve cover and nothing really else. I've just done maintenance, which is just has to do with the belts. Timing belt I did delete AC, but yeah. Some fun facts with this car is you'll see all these gaps is because it's rebuilt title. The gap on this side isn't bad, but it was crashed on the driver's side by the previous owner. It's hard to tell underneath it, but this frame rail is kind of bent and messed up and pretty bad. You can tell just how mangled this whole area is. It's not great, and you can also just that's supposed to be a circle. That is no longer really a circle, and it's kind of like broken up all in there. But this car is okay. I have all this stuff under here, just it's a mess. But right now, I think the rear main seal's leaking, but that is not getting fixed now or really anytime soon. Right now, what we're doing, I'll show you. I have footage that'll be going in later of me actually working on it. And I guess we'll have to get back to working on it now. Get under there. I shouldn't need this light anymore. So what we're working on now, let's get this light turned on, hung up. There we go. So what we are working on now is this car. If you can see on this side just how all this black undercoating, you can't see anything. So relatively this car looks okay. But when you clear all that, it is not so okay. Especially when you come to other areas. But the goal right now is to just keep cleaning. And we will be shaving all this down. Most of it will be going to bare metal. And I want to kind of take everything back into place. Because if you look along this frame rail, it's not exactly the straightest thing ever. So I'll probably add some B-roll in. Not B-roll, just footage in now of me cleaning this up and finding actually that hole. Who needs to take bolts out when the whole mount just breaks? I have to fix that so it's not so sharp, or just chop it up 400. I wonder if this will cause a problem. What do you think? See if I can get a better lit. That's just not so hot. I can put my screwdriver into my frame rail. Oh. Which isn't great. And this might be cut out and patched somehow, not by me, because I can't weld. But yeah, stuff like this on this car isn't great. Up back here is rusty. None of this rust is the worst. Like, that's the worst part of this car right now is this small hole. What's going on here? This is the piece that's pulling up. Did you walk? You can see behind it, it's just a big hole in the frame rail. You can see there's a hole back there. It's cleaning up really nice. So I'm gonna go through wire wheel down to at least just like this paint. I'm gonna get all this under stuff off. All of it. I have to remove this plug so I don't actually hit it, but this makes a mess. I just try to vacuum it up. It just kind of comes off in small dust, and I don't want to get the camera covered in it while I do it. So I'm gonna cut back to this being done, just so I don't get the camera covered. Let's see if I do this. So, as you can see, we got the whole inside layer pretty much done. Everything off of it. And yeah, it's pretty good. Found some rust up there. And just some other small spots. Like, there was some there, but not very much. And I can't remember if there's anything else. Now, I've already moved on just a little bit to the inside, where the rust is definitely a lot worse on it. Like, there's a tiny little pinhole there. There might be some more pinholes as I keep going over here, but I'm guessing that might happen. There might be a couple more. And obviously the hole in the rocker that's up here. So I'm just gonna get to wire wheeling, and I'm gonna set you guys up to time lapse. That did not turn out too bad, I don't think. I wonder how that peaks the mic. I never even thought about how much I peaked the mic, but like I said though, there did make a pinhole there, like I thought it would. So it's that hole. This was welded up from the inside, and wherever the other one was pretty close. Oh yeah, right there.